Is your Dyson V12 acting more like a paperweight than a powerhouse? If you're pulling the trigger only to hear a chugging sound, or worse, total silence, you aren't alone. The technical culprit? It's usually a combination of faulty motor components and extreme internal dust buildup. Even though it's a slim model, it packs a lot of power into a small space. Over time, microdust bypasses the filters and clogs the motor's sensitive electronics, essentially causing your vacuum to choke on its own success. And let's face it, nobody wants to buy a whole new vacuum because of some hidden grime. Robocare has the solution. At Robocare, we don't just fix vacuums, we master them. Our technicians are specifically trained on the intricate, compact architecture of the Dyson V12 series. We've spent years deconstructing these machines, and we know exactly where the dust hides and how it impacts that high-speed hyperdymium motor. Our team uses advanced airflow sensors and precision diagnostic tools to pinpoint exactly where your performance is dropping. We don't just guess, we solve. Our approach involves a complete chassis teardown to provide a medical-grade deep cleaning service. We clear out the microscopic debris that chokes these high-speed motors, and if a component is truly faulty, we replace it with genuine parts to ensure your suction is better than the day you unboxed it. But don't just take our word for it. Let's see the after. Look at that performance. With the motor serviced and the internals surgically cleaned, this Dyson V12 is back to full power. That signature suction is restored, and the motor error is a thing of the past. Don't give up on your Dyson. Contact Robocare today for expert repairs on all brands. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.